India to 75 years huise independence pai gine aro ina wine 75 years karne India ekla age jalaga aro India laga manukhan itu laga unique history itu glorious history aro culture glorious culture aro tradition glorious tradition itu khan celebrate kurule karne government of India ra azadi ka amrit mahotsav itu launch kuri dise aro ami 2021 de apni NLTV bi itu azadi ka amrit mahotsav to bishi dikhi huni ni thakibo aro aji 26 November to huise gole to 1949 26 November de Constitution of India to adopt kurise aro aji 26 November to Constitution Day or Samvidhan Divas kuine mania laga din ase to ine ala din de itu 11 am bra President of India Taiwan lugine Prime Minister kan sab thakibo Member of Parliaments or Union Ministers Speaker tan sab thakibo itu Central Hall of Parliament tade taigan itu Constitution Preamble of the Constitution of India itu puribule ase aro Directorate of School Education bra order disi ki notification olai disi ki 26 November de 11 am bra itu schools kan sabte itu Preamble of the Constitution of India to itu puribuli garne itu laga notification to olai disi itu garne I mean private schools kan dibi kumba visit koni jaise ita to huisugule amiana last point te agine ase yare Rosacre Government Higher Secondary School la agine ase yare taikan itu constitution do ikilot president lore ikilot puriala do ami kan itu lau pore visuals kan dole aise itu garne ami lore camera person kevili le metha ase ami motumjin pongoner NLTV Nagaland TV garne
The government, the 26th November of every year is being celebrated as Samvidhan Diwas, Constitution Day, to commemorate the day of adopting the constitution of our country, that is India. Now we are celebrating this as a part of Azadi Ki Amrit Mahotsav, and if we are to follow the program, the Honorable President of India is going to lead the celebration from 11 am onwards, and the schools are to show the program. We all are to celebrate together. But since we are resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens justice, socio-economic and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship, equality of status and opportunity, and to promote among them all fraternity, ensuring the dignity of the individual, and the unity and integrity of the nation. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of November, 1949, do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Thank you.